Siamo qui con Nick Pound che in Come From Away interpreta il ruolo di Claude, il sindaco di Gander, e molti altri ruoli nello spettacolo. Nick, how is it to play in such an ensemble musical as Come From Away?
Oh, well, it's great for an actor. It's an absolute treat because you not only get to play one character, you get to play, I think I play about 6 or 7 different characters in this show. So all with different voices, different accents. So we have to switch from the Newfoundland accent to a Texan accent and then back to different Newfoundland accents as well. So it's a really exciting thing to do as an actor.
Non succede spesso nel musical di poter interpretare dei ruoli di persone realmente esistite che sono ancora in vita in molti casi, come i personaggi di Come From Away, gli abitanti di Gander e i passeggeri degli aerei. Nick, have you met some of these characters, or how is it like to play someone that is existing? It doesn't happen often in musical theatre.
No, it's the first time. I mean, I've been in this business for 40 years, and this is the first time that I've played a real-life character who is still alive, or in fact a couple of real-life characters who are still alive. When we first started back in March, I had a Zoom conversation with Claude Elliott, my main character. So we had a chat for about 45 minutes, and then just over a month ago, when we were in Manchester just before Christmas, a lot of the original characters came over to Manchester, so I actually got to meet Claude in person and do quite a lot of this kind of thing, this sort of publicity with him. And also I met one of the other mayors, Durham, who's the mayor of Appleton. That's another character that I play. He came over as well, so I got to meet him. So I actually got to meet two of the people that I play. I mean, it was kind of quite surreal, really, but it was a real joy. It was a real thrill to do that. Yeah.
And how do you feel about this opening in Italy, playing in your language to an audience that speaks a different language?
It's going to be interesting. I mean, I've been in this theatre before. I was here about 11 years ago with a production of Cats. Now, Cats is a much more universal kind of production, and it's much more of a spectacle, which I think can be enjoyed whether you speak the language or not. This is totally different. Come From Away, it's very, very verbal, and it's very, very fast. Now, I know the audience will have surtitles above the stage. I also understand they're going to have the possibility to watch the simultaneous translation on their phones as well during the show.
Thank you very much.
Our pleasure.